happened? Did you drop your applesauce on the floor? Did you drop it on the floor? Yeah? Uh-oh, there it is. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Want me to get it? You say please?
Please.
Okay.
Please.
There you go. All done. Is that why you wanted me to pick it up to show me you were all done? Okay, let's put it on the table. Do you want to get down? Do you want to get down? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Molly,
Hi.
can you show me more? Very good. Can you show me eat? Very good. Can you show me milk? Very good. Can you show me your hair? Can you show me your nose? Can you show me your chin? Oh, you're so smart. Can you show me your neck? There you go. Can you show me your thumb? Very good. Can you show me your elbow? Oh, what a smart girl. You want to get down? You want to get down? Can you say down, please?
No.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?